Conundrums, created by Astronova School.
The Lake Returns Conundrum. All right, I've got a question for you. Imagine this. There is a large lake next to a small town. Unfortunately, the lake died after years of pollution from the town's largest corporation. When the corporation closed, most people in the town moved away. Years later, a new corporation, looking to find a cheap headquarters, takes over the abandoned factory. They hire people in the town for their business, which, thankfully, does not dump harmful chemicals in the lake. The Puppetmaster, noticing the success of the new corporation and always looking for a good business opportunity, hires scientists to research the lake. Could the lake really be brought back to life? The scientists study the lake and determine that the lake can be saved, but it will require everyone in the town, including the corporation, to follow very specific rules for the next 10 years. The media cover the story of the town's challenge in great detail. They report on the new corporation bringing jobs back to the town, the brilliant scientists creating a roadmap to save the lake, and the committed citizens who are doing their part to follow the rules. Convinced by the media's excellent coverage, the politicians recognize that the town needs their help. So they support the scientists' plan and fight to get money to help rebuild the town. The voters, who have lived in the town through tough times, follow the scientists' rules to keep the lake healthy, and they vote for politicians that support the lake and town restoration projects. 10 years later, the lake lives and the town is reborn. So, who deserves the most credit? Option A, the corporation. Option B, the scientists. Option C, the Puppetmaster. Option D, the media. Option E, the politicians. Option F, the voters.